Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Old Bike New Man. I am your host G, and today we're going to take care of something we probably should have handled a few months back, but better late than never, right? So let's check out the intro and we'll get into it. Peace. Alright, as you can see, we got our tent, our big man chair, and that's like a little canopy that came with the chair I got from the big and tall stores. I'll let you know. I was looking out for big man stuff, but this is a Coleman 6-person tent. I just took it out of the box. I've never actually took it out and took it in the paper out or read the instruction or anything. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and it looked very simple to put together, which was my real reason for wanting to get it. I didn't think about the size of it, but this thing, I'm 6'4". This comes to my waist, a little bit above it, so it's not likely to be on the back of a motorcycle, but we're still going to use it for car camping, and hopefully at some point we'll get into a tent that works for motorcycle backpacking or something like that. But I'm not really big on laying on the ground, so I need something that a cot will fit in. So this might be my only option, and maybe the motor camp might be left to the others. So we're going to get this tent set up and our big man chair, and I'll let you know how easy it was. I'm pretty comfortable and confident that it will be an easy process, but we won't know until we get there. I also have a rain fly for the tent that I'm going to get out, and we'll put that on as well just to make sure we know how to do it. All right, let's get into it. Get the big man chair set up, and we're not going to do the guidelines right now just because for the sake of time, and it's not necessary. You guys that have ever went camping or set up a tent, you probably already know how to put guidelines down into the ground with the stake. So, and I'm sure it'll fit in my ground. My ground right now is still kind of soft because it's been a winter time, so it hadn't got hard yet, so it won't be a problem. I'm going to try to get this rain fly on because I've heard that was somewhat difficult because the instruction wasn't that good, but we'll see. too bad. Once you get the rain fly kind of set around, it does help that I'm tall, so I was able to get on top of the tent of course. Got everything set up, so what we do now is we'll take a look in the tent and we'll wrap the video up. Appreciate y'all. All right, what we'll do now is take a look inside the tent. As you can see, it's pretty substantial size, which is what I wanted. And you can see my big man chair is big. I probably won't use that canopy, but I just want to be able to use put all my stuff together and see how it would go. So let's take a look inside. From the outside, as you can see, the door has a zipper here, zipper for the door. I think it's just a mesh window here, and of course the rain fly. And it has the what they call the bathtub floor or something, where it kind of comes up in there, which is a good thing. Has windows here, good ventilation. This zips down. Same thing here, and same thing here. Has a little hook here for a lantern, which I actually have, like a little light. And these are like air mesh vents that you can put this up here. Make it sticks to this. It's actually kind of windy out here, which is probably a good test for my tent. Oh, see, there you go. You can see it has a little ventilation thing, or you can let that down if it's raining or you don't want bugs coming in or whatever. So that's cool. That's the door, but we have the window here, so you still have sight outside without bugs getting in, which is I do like. And oh yeah, there's a window here too. So yeah, has the full mesh window set up. And you have that same little zipper panel over here where you can let air in like you did over here. So both are there. And as you can see, I'm 6'4", and in the middle, 6'4", so I can stand up in here, which was very important to me. I didn't want to be uncomfortable because, you know, who knows how long I'll be doing the camping. I might get into it, and I want to make sure that if I'm going to stay a couple of days, it'll be a fun couple of days. So that's a good thing for me. So I showed you guys the windows. And we have like a little, I guess a little bag on the side where you can store things if you want to. So that's cool. And trying to see if any other features I missed. If so, we'll discuss them when we actually go camping. But this was really easy to set up, and I'm excited about taking my first camping trip. So we got everything set up. It went really smoothly. Just for the part of me being nervous about putting it together and not messing up, but that's why I didn't want to get the other kind of tent, because I was thinking when I get there it might be dusk or something, then I'm going to be nervous about putting this pole through the right slot and all that. Man, I ain't got time for that. So my big man tent and my big man chair are working out good for me. It will be a car camping thing, but hey, you never know. Maybe I'll get into this camping and find a smaller tent that actually will allow me to go motor camping, but that's further down the line, of course. All I gotta do now is go check out the Campgrounds of America. I think there's one about 30 miles away from me in Arlington. So that'll probably be the one I utilize, assuming that their campground's nice. And after I meet some of the staff, assuming that they're really cool, you know, because I want to make my first experience a good experience, because that'll be something that I'll look forward to doing again if it goes well on the very first time. So I'm well aware of that. So hey, I appreciate you all checking out the video. Sorry there's not motor camping, that is going to be car camping, but hey, I got the Coleman tent and I was going to put together on my channel. So I appreciate you all checking out the channel once again. And without further ado, keep your burdens light and your yoke easy. Peace.